This 2024 Forest River Salem Grand Villa 42 View is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Lebanon, Tennessee, 37090 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Nashville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.